Hello, fellow creative problem solvers. My name is Abhinav, and in this video, we'll be going over the Drake equation. Let's first start off with an introduction to the Drake equation. The existence of extraterrestrial life is something that seems so certain, yet is inconclusive. We have no firm proof that aliens currently exist, but there are so many models out there that do estimate the probability of there being aliens. The one such model is the Drake equation, which is a mathematical equation that provides the number of alien civilizations that are actively communicating in a form of a probability. Now, here's the formula for the Drake equation. And as you can see, there are many variables involved in finding the number of alien civilizations in our galaxy that can actively communicate with us. Let's start off with the first variable, which is the rate of formation of stars in the galaxy. And this is important because it can demonstrate how often alien life can emerge. And then you have to multiply that by the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, and that's multiplied by the number of planets per solar system has an environment suitable for life. Because after all, if an alien life emerges, it's going to most likely be on a planet that has an environment suitable to life. And that's multiplied by the fraction of suitable planets on which a life actually appears. And then after that, we multiply that by the fraction of life bearing planets on which intelligent life appears. Because if the alien species is not intelligent, then they probably can't communicate with us in our galaxy. And then after that, you have to multiply it by the fraction of civilizations that develop a technology that releases detectable signs of their existence into space, which we can detect as a human species. And finally, the last variable is the length of time that these civilizations release those detectable signals in space. Because after they stop, then they won't be an actively communicating species. That was just a brief summary of the Drake equation, but its importance is that it provides the probability of detecting radio communication from extraterrestrials based on these given variables. However, the limitations of the Drake equation is that it doesn't account for the ancient civilizations that aren't actively communicating, and we don't know the uncertainty behind any of the variables too. Therefore, the estimate would be very imprecise and won't provide a definite answer to how many alien civilizations exist in our galaxy. Even though the Drake equation may not be a great astronomical model to current standards, it still stirs the curiosity of humanity to search for extraterrestrial life in the cosmos. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new about the search for alien life through the Drake equation.